First job is to remove all the pimples and high spots. We're using a long wall scraper here, which is an old tool. This will make a lot of mess, so make sure you've got plenty of sheets down. Next we need to seal the ceiling with PVA. We're going to use 2 coats. The first one we're going to mix at 5:1 and the second one at 3:1. We're going to use 2 coats of multi-finish. As you can see, we're going to mix this with a power drill just to a nice smooth texture. We then load it onto the hook and prepare to work. We're using a 14.5 trowel. We're working towards the window, using firm pressure to ensure good adhesion. We're not worrying too much about trowel marks, we just want a nice, flat, even finish. Corners are really important, so make sure you work it well into them. Make sure if you get too many air bubbles to smooth them out. With a damp paintbrush, just cut the edges in nicely. Remembering that this is still the first coat, but we just want to remove any really large trowel marks that might be there. With just a small amount of plaster on the trowel, just skim over to fill any large holes or imperfections. As you can see, there's a bit of a high spot here, but this will be covered by the second coat. Next we're putting on the second coat. This will remove all the high spots and give us a nice smooth finish. Once the second coat's applied, we can continue troweling, which may take 7 or 8 times to achieve that smooth finish. It's going to take a couple of days to dry out. As you can see, this is the next day and you can just see the white patches. Well, once completely dry, we can use a PVA before painting, but personally I would just dilute some normal emulsion for the first coat, followed by your normal emulsion.